Dear conference participants, let me present a report to you, Woody artificial plantation as a significant factors of sustainable development at mining and metallurgical area. Introduction. Now natural forest ecosystems and artificial woody plantations have recently been well analyzed in numerous scientific publications. There are also numerous ones of various aspects of sustainable development. However, practical measures is implemented sustainable development in separate industrial area, for example in the mining and metallurgical district, have in fact been left out of the attention of researchers. The objective of this paper was to consider the artificial woody plantations as a significant factor of sustainable development paradigm implementation at Kryvyi Rih mining and metallurgical district. Materials and methods. This study was conducted in artificially woody plantations, which are located at Kryvyi Rih mining and metallurgical region, central Ukraine. The study area is the following coordinates and is shown in Figure 1. The next slide shows the main research methods. We studied all types of artificial woody plantation in Kryvyi Rih, as such as woody stands of city parks, woody stands of health protection zones, woody stands of city protection forests, and woody stands of river protection forest. The natural forest ecosystem form of Gurevsky forest were used as control. For each research plot of following dendrometrical parameters were computed: free density of stand, basal area of the tree, and volume of the tree. For each research plot of vitality of stand also was computed. Numerous scientific papers about sustainable development have also served as materials for our work. Results and discussions. Current state of artificial woody plantations. In Kryvyi Rih District, the artificial forests are characterized by significant variance in their structural and functional organization. It should also be noted that these artificial forests are located in areas with contrasting ecological environmental conditions. Summing up the soil factors actions, fertility and moisture, and the air pollution actions for ecological locations were identified. Environmentally friendly area background, relative environmentally friendly area buffer 1, relative environmentally not friendly area buffer 2, environmentally not friendly area impact. Next slide. Natural forest ecosystem of Gurevsky forest are located in ecological clear area. The results of research on the ecosystem of Gurevsky forest can be seen on the following slides. In general, the characteristics of the Gurevsky forest were typical of the floodplain forest of Ukraine. Next slide. In a relative environmentally friendly area, buffer 1, are located artificially woody plantations of the Vasyl Arboretum, river protection forests, Karachuni and Dubki forest tracts. The results of research on this ecosystem can be seen on the following slides. In general, biological and dendrometric characteristics of artificial woody plantations from buffer 1 are typical for the artificial forests of Ukraine. Next slide. In relative environmentally not friendly area buffer 2 are located artificially woody plantations of Dovginsevsky Arboretum, river protection forests, Karachuniy forest tract, partitionally. The results of research of these ecosystems can be seen on the following slides. The vitality of the stand was not high and indicated of partially health forests of these wood plantations. Next slides. In the environmentally not friendly area, impact are located health protection zones, ArcelorMittal Kryvyi Rih, urban protection forests, forest Lykholat and social city. The results of research on these ecosystems can also be seen on the following slides. The vitality of the stand was very low and indicated to partially health forests of these woody plantations. Next slide. Artificial tree plantations are sustainable development of Kryvyi Rih District. Artificial tree plantations can be an important factor of future sustainable development of Kryvyi Rih District. In practice, to achieve this goal, you need to take these following steps on this slide. Based on our research, we have developed a conceptual model. This model shows the introductions of artificial tree plantations in sustainable development in Kryvyi Rih District. Next slide. The model is represented by the main provisions. The artificial assessment of tree plantations aim at consistent analysis of the area of plantations and stands. The current state of artificial plantations is environmentally friendly. Next slide. Sustainable model of artificial tree plantations should reflect the optimal flora composition and spatial structure of future artificial tree plantation. Sustainable management of an artificial tree farm has two directions. Tree plantations should be maximally adapted to the climate, soil and environment of Kryvyi Rih region. Next slide. Conclusions. At Kryvyi Rih mining and metallurgical district, for 30–60 years, numerous and large artificially woody plantations were created. These plantations have reached their peak of development. Their leading characteristics have a clear ecological conditionality. For wood plant species, soil moisture deficits and atmosphere repetition pollution are significant environmental factors. In some cases, negative phenomena in artificial woody plantations are observed. At the same time, these plantations can become a green framework for future sustainable development Kryvyi Rih mining and metallurgical district. Artificial woody plantation can be an important factor for the future sustainable development of Kryvyi Rih area. Thanks for your attention.